In the meantime, Jamaica is being commended by international health agencies for taking bold steps to tackle non-communicable diseases through new fiscal measures aimed at reducing the consumption of harmful products. More in this report.
In a joint press statement Friday, the Pan American Health Organization and World Health Organization, along with UNICEF, welcomed recent tax measures introduced by the Jamaican government. The measures target tobacco products, alcoholic beverages, and sugar-sweetened drinks, all considered major contributors to heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and obesity in Jamaica. Global evidence suggests that increasing taxes on these products can significantly reduce consumption, particularly among young people, while also easing long-term pressure on national health systems. PAHO and WHO representative in Jamaica, Ian Stein, says the policies are grounded in strong global evidence and are expected to lower avoidable healthcare costs while supporting the country's sustainable development goals. And from a child rights perspective, UNICEF says the move could also help protect adolescents who are especially vulnerable to the marketing of unhealthy products. Meanwhile, UNICEF representative Olga Isaza notes that evidence-based pricing policies will reduce children's exposure to harmful products while creating opportunities to reinvest in family support services.